You'd think the best engineering school on the planet could design a bigger audience for everyone. It's for next year. Standing here before you is weird. I feel this pressure to give some timeless advice that will endure despite our world changing at an unprecedented pace. The world is so different, even from 4 years ago. For example, for the undergrads, you are the first graduating class to have persevered through a global pandemic, just as this is the first commencement speech written entirely by ChatGPT. The tech is still very new, so if I make any grammatical errors or threaten to end all human life, that did not come from me. That's the robot. At this point, I should probably tell your parents who I am. I'm Mark Rober, a former Apple and NASA mechanical engineer who became a YouTuber. And yes, I know to some of you it sounds like I just said I quit the MBA to work at Foot Locker, or I traded a Picasso for an NFT of a stoned monkey.